What was the psychological toll of Amundsen's long polar isolation? Imagine being cut off from the world 4 months in a place where the sun never rises or sets. That was the reality for Roald Amundsen during his polar journeys. His experiences reveal how extreme isolation can affect the human mind. When Amundsen was a young man, he watched other explorers suffer from mental strain. During his time on the ship Belgica, he saw crew members develop serious psychological issues. Some lost their grip on reality, with one experiencing temporary blindness and another suffering from paranoid delusions. One crew member even died, likely because of the mental toll of confinement and darkness. These early lessons stayed with Amundsen and shaped how he prepared for his own expeditions. When explorers spend long periods in polar regions, they often develop what scientists call the winter over syndrome. This includes symptoms like trouble sleeping, feeling very sad or irritable, and losing interest in activities. Some people become socially withdrawn, preferring to stay alone or stand motionless for long stretches. This is sometimes called the Antarctic stare, where individuals stand still and silent for minutes or even up to an hour. These symptoms usually start after the long dark winter begins and fade when the sun returns. The disruption of natural sleep cycles plays a big part in these mental struggles. Constant darkness or daylight confuses the body's internal clock, making it hard to sleep or stay alert. The environment's monotony and sensory deprivation also wear on mental strength. During his South Pole expedition, Amundsen faced tensions within his team. He had to make tough decisions like demoting Hjalmar Johansson, which caused friction. These choices, while necessary for the mission, affected team morale and individual mental health. Amundsen's way of handling these stresses was through strong leadership. He knew that keeping order and clarity was key to survival. His experiences taught him that psychological collapse could threaten the entire expedition. The pressure of racing to reach the South Pole added to his mental stress. The fear of failure and the weight of leadership made every decision feel even more important. Despite these challenges, Amundsen's resilience and ability to stay focused helped him succeed. Research shows that adaptation to polar isolation happens in stages. Amundsen's ability to endure was partly due to his mental toughness. His mood and mental state fluctuated with the seasons. When the sun returned, he felt relief. During the dark winter months, he faced increased psychological strain. His experiences helped scientists understand how humans respond to extreme confinement. His success proved that even in the harshest conditions, strong leadership and mental resilience can make a difference. His story continues to influence how we think about mental health in isolated environments, from polar stations to space missions.